Welcome to Stock Markets with KR. Stock Markets with KR में आपका स्वागत है. I just wanted to record this very quick video. As you can see, it's 9:30 at night on 29 June. So I obviously did not want to overstretch it a lot. But आज मेरे को बात करना था on the nature of these larger deals that are happening. So naturally, you can see Reliance's chart is on my screen, and the reason why I want to talk about it is because AGM के दिन के पहले भी actually there were a lot of large deals happening. Large deals, bulk deals, block deals, all of those things were happening. And what we can see here is the record of all of those deals. So this is a page on money control where you can look at all of those deals that were happening. ठीक है, हम लोग को इधर quantity दिखता है, price दिखता है, value दिखता है. There are plenty of deals which are 5 crore, 6 crore, and see here 106.72 crore 25 जून का. ठीक है, 5 लाख शेयर रिलायंस के at 2100. So huge quantity happening, and generally whenever you look at these bigger ticket transactions, they will always be in tranches. ठीक है, so time tranches में कर सकते हैं. So for all we know, this 106 person was the person who actually moved the price action for the entire day. So even though एक एक करोड़ उतना बड़ा नहीं लगेगा, in reality it can be a massive order. So just keep that in mind. And the reason why it's relevant, because ये सब लोग जो लोग हैं बिग मनी वाले, now the people who are actually selling at that level, they might be expecting that AGM जो है उतना bearish होगा, थोड़ा उतना अच्छा positive outlook नहीं होगा. So they might be thinking that we are getting a certain profit, or we are getting this much, उतने में निकल जाते हैं. शायद AGM might not be that good for us, might not be that bullish for us. So that is what they would think. But the buyers, what would the buyers think? Buyers might think something else. Buyers को लगेगा कि 2100 पे है Reliance. They are talking about bold future ideas. Let us look into that. Let us accumulate Reliance for the long term. Accumulating Reliance is something I had also mentioned on my investing.com article, so you can also check that out. और दूसरा एक कैंप हो जाता है. The other camp of people are people who might know something that we don't. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आज आफ्टर मार्केट आवर्स एक न्यूज पीस आया कि एडनॉक एंड रिलायंस साइन स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप फॉर वर्ल्ड स्केल केमिकल प्रोजेक्ट्स. एंड आई एम श्योर दैट देयर मस्ट बी पीपल who would be knowing about this deal, who would be thinking कि अरे ये डील आ जाने दो, प्राइस ऊपर ही जाने वाला है. So those people might have bought Reliance as well, larger quantities, smaller quantities, in any capacity, but they might have bought those Reliance shares as well. So essentially क्या है कि there is always that almost polarity between the buyers and the sellers. One party will always have a certain view and the other party will have an opposing view, and there is a chance that they both can be right. For example, चलो, obviously we don't know ये news से ऊपर जाता है या नीचे, but let's assume for argument's sake that कल ऊपर जाता है. Okay, then the people who bought at 2100, 2080, all of those will stand to benefit ना, क्योंकि वो लोग को तो सस्ते में मिल गया. And those who actually, and let's say tomorrow it goes down, those who sold at that level will benefit, and eventually when Reliance comes up, those who bought will also benefit. So इसमें ऐसा है कि there is a saying which says bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. इसमें कैसा है कि दोनों साइड को बेनिफिट तो होगा ही एंड में. The sell side made money possibly if they sold here, they would have made money on this fall. This fall was again I think 4% जितना हम लोग ने देखा था. Okay, that's massive. That's actually 7.5%. तो 7.5% का फॉल कोई बना सकता है पैसा. ऑल्टरनेटिवली कोई इसके आगे जब भी जाता है, whenever price moves up, उस पे भी बना सकता है. So see, the point of this video is just to share how prices can actually move, how buying and selling can actually have an impact on market psychology. Because हम लोग को क्या लगता है कि see, इधर पे स्पिनिंग टॉप आया, पॉसिबली कोई इधर शॉर्ट करेगा क्योंकि स्पिनिंग टॉप है. But we don't know. Maybe it's the larger players selling which is causing that spinning top. So, maybe it is those things. Maybe it is the actions of these bigger buyers and sellers, which obviously does have an influence on how the chart structure looks like. So, whatever we are doing, It is all like a second derivative of what the bigger parties are doing, and there is always some story behind it. So हम लोग को फिलहाल शायद पता नहीं चलेगा. Maybe we'll find out what the real story behind these deals was, or what the real sentiment of Reliance after AGM was. Maybe we'll find out after weeks or months. But at least तभी हम लोग को पता चलेगा कि okay, this is what story the candles and the price was trying to tell us. So I know it's a bit of an unusual video to make, and regardless, I just hope that you found something of value, or at least I was able to help you look at these price moves in a slightly different way. See, because all of these things we all know, we all understand, पर हम लोग कभी कभी सिंपल चीजें नहीं समझते, बिकॉज हम लोग को लगता है इतना सिंपल हो ही नहीं सकता. अल्टीमेटली the stock markets are like a massive vegetable market, सब्जी मंडी जैसा. लोग खरीद रहे हैं, लोग बेच रहे हैं, and that is what the markets are. So some people might have more information, some people might have less information. Ultimately, it's just a game of buyers and sellers, and that is how it all works in harmony. So that's it for this one, and I hope you found some value in this little short bonus video. See you in the next one. Happy trading.